welcome to Simon Tools. Today we're gonna make some big series problems. We will make something real big and real strong. This is the 3 big piston high pressure water jet washer, and it got 4 bolts and 19 mil shafts, and this is rated at 4,800 psi, but I only need 3,500. Okay, anyway, this is really big one, bigger than before, and it got air breathing series one, and it's really big. See, it's not small at all. And we are in the last videos we have made one. It's a 1.1 horsepower, and it rates at 2,800 RPMs. RPM, that means rep per minute. But today we go something real serious, because we will make this one for the driveway cleaning. When we put on the the dish, and then it is washing and clean my driveway quickly. So this rate at 3 horsepower. 3 horsepower, 2.2 kilowatts, and a rate at 2,830 RPM. Of course, same old school, but this one last time is the B14 shy frames, but we don't have one, so we have to go for this model. We go for something small, will be not strong enough pressure, and the pump was this big, and if this one too small, wouldn't handle the power. Okay, so that's why we have to upgrade the bigger horsepower. But I have to do is still matching, and then have to make the hole, take this one up, and make a frames that can hold the into the holes here, and we are super tight, and we make extra adapter out for holding the leg, stop vibration and shaking. And of course we have to be aware this one is not strong enough to holding the pump, so that's why we need more reinforced here, hold up the here, and will be strong and will last forever. So last one I finished and gave away to my friends. So now this one I have to do one and put it somewhere. Whenever we want to lift it, we can lift it somewhere and do it very silently, strong, and for your home keeper. The 3 bolts, very easy, and it had a little washer for the waterproof, so be careful. Okay, take it easy, steady, and enjoy every moment what you do something. This is the inside, where you always take up the front parts, and you will see how it look like. That 2 end is the startup and control here. When they spin enough force and they got the contacts and kick in and out, the dynamic will push in and out for start. Okay, so very important, don't let it faulty. So what we do is take this one off, take the bolt off, and then drill the hole through. And when we got strong support for the inside, we are happy. Okay, we need to put some washer, bigger washer. Steady, enjoy brother, enjoy every moment. Okay, we are up like this way, so remember this one going up that way, this one going up that way, and don't ever damage the wire inside the motor. That's all we need, and this is what we need to drill the hole through and make something very strong. Okay, that's what I said. This one they've been secured very well, and no water can allow to go in here because it's a very bad seal. And yeah, tell me how you're gonna get the water go through it. I don't think so. Okay, that is how it's go in, like that. See, when it spin fast or slow, the dynamic will push it in. Okay, now we drill the hole and making a very strong bolt that can handle. Need the drill bit The drill bit is a little smaller than the bolt, and then we drill on 4 holes. So we get in the middle. So we get this one in 3-4 holes. Very easy and easy and easy and easy. Everyone can do it, okay? Same thing. I use the drill go quicker, okay? Okay, like that. And you will see it go on perfectly. See? Go on perfectly. Beautiful. You see? Beautiful. That's all we need. And now we do a get big washer. And we'll bring inside out, okay? Push on the vise, trim them up, and get 8 after once. And that will be done, okay? So that's how it is. Put the tools away. Put away. Put the drill away. We don't need no more drilling. See, this is how we want it going. And we want each one go on each side, like this. Like that. And we can bolt down and stay there forever. Some Loctite, and we save this edge down. You go in that corner. Beautiful. Lazy way, but quicker, okay? Lazy and quicker way. This is how it looks. Beautiful. See? Beautiful. See? And it's gonna be go in just like that. You see? And really very strong and secure, and the shaft will bolt in here was so perfectly. So what we do is put them on, we go in here, this one behind here, and don't let it go into the motor where it's going to be hurt the wire. See, gonna be like that, okay? And we do it, just get mallet hammer, smash it on. Slowly, okay? Slowly you will get, see, you will get some of them in. Say 1, and then we light up this one, and then we got them all in. And here is just the one that goes slide straight in. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, fit on the size will be good, but I told you before, we're using the bigger motor, and they don't have one for yourself, so we have to make something up to make it go in. So I flow this one first. Well, and then put this one out, and we will see how would the shaft go in. There we go, that way. I put a bit of grease in just in case for long term it's rust and itself out. And I have something to loop it, okay? Something really loop it. Like that. Yeah. Go in. That's it. Okay. We are going to put them on. How's that? No movement, no wobbling. And it's online properly. You see? Now we slide this one up a little bit, and we start to put some bolt on, and we are happy. Okay, 1 and 2. We're gonna put some on with some spring washer. Lucky I got some spring washer. We got everything except money and love. Okay. Look like a props professional job here, man. What a beautiful. Cannot believe it. See how massive this one? Very big pump and very big motor. Try to make square as much as I could. When you buy a high pressure water jet, if you see they build separate with the oil gates and oil here, that means it's strong. So that's why we have to make the pump, the motor gotta be strong. Sure, it's tied by the fueling and your power, okay? Okay, we just leave it like this. Just put them on and see how it turns like. See how the noise. Just for a few seconds, okay? It's so quiet. And the water come out straight away. Got some water here because they've been test the pump before they send the pump for us. So it's finger crossed. It's worked very well, okay? And super quiet. What I do is a little bit of the legs. Have to make the legs, so this one should be strong enough, but we need something to make the leg no shaking. Got myself some of these rubber wheels, so hopefully put them on and it less vibration on here, and it's what damage on here. So I'm using this one. This is called the melting here, quiet for sleeping. Okay, we got that one online. You can buy them online, and it's cheap. I don't know, it's not cheap. Yes, all the legs is on and it look huge. See, this is the second electric one I make, and this one the purple one. We have this one because we need it for vibration, because it's the big pump. We don't want this one flat on the floor, and it might give you a very bad vibration. So this one up like that will be free to go. So for example, we just hook on for a few seconds, okay? And let's see how it's like. This is mine, and what I do is open up the box and I make it one little switch here. Open up the box. We try to put the switch here, but we have trouble because the capacitor go this way and have nowhere to go, so I have to put it somewhere here, so it's not touching the capacitor. The high quality switch. This is for commercial motor and all that. See, we're using this one is the correct one, okay? So we have to use this one because it's the only way we can do it. So we can have your on and stop this way. Look at the diagram. You can see number 2 and number 1 is direct into the coil to hold the contact together, but we need to get 3 and 4. 3 and 4 go to the power input, and the other one is output. So we got 3 and 4, so we're using leg 3 and 4 for the power in. And then the power here, when you press it and they contact this one, they're holding there, and then release that one. But if you go here, the power is constantly all the time attack into the switch, so we better get it right, okay? 3 and 4 is the input, and solder power on. No blink, guys. Will be very easy after I show you. See how good it is, okay? It should work very good and like professional design from the factory design, okay? Now before we close this one, we have to test it before we let it go. But first thing first, when you push on, you don't want to put the power on. You don't want to hear any noise from the relay. I don't want the relay kick in yet. See, no noise, okay? That means so I connect the in. Now I press and see if it's holding. That means correct. Beautiful, you see? Beautiful. We got all the silicone, make sure it's there, and inside it stop the water go inside. And most important, you get the wire running up the way, so tie them somewhere just in case the vibration and shaking, and it will touching everywhere. So you don't want that happen, okay? You don't want that power short out, and we'll be correct to go. Really huge, big, and awesome. Look awesome. Tie them up like this just in case someone pull the wire cable, and we should run nice and neat. Done. Now I try to make the gauges. We go on this side so I can tell how many psi pressure are on this one. So it could be leap on the top like that, and I can read the psi output. This is my Scorpion that I do for the test today. And remember, this is the bigger pumps, and the motor 3 times bigger than the normal one. So we try this one for our cleaning floor, like that. When it's spinning, it's enough pressure and it clean and spin. Okay, now moment of truth. I turn on my Scorpion. Got some pressure there. See, that is what it's for. See how it works. Yeah, this is later used for my cleaning up the driveway. And I still got a little bit leak here because I didn't tie them up properly, but doesn't matter. It's just a test, okay? It worked. Beautiful, and it worked very well, and it come out only 1500 psi. But if you stop it because the jet there was too big, but it's working good, and the motor, the test, beautiful. I don't complain nothing. Very cool. No, not even get hot. But the psi constantly always like that. Because this one you can get the pressure that high because the jet here. See? So it worked very well and very quietly. That's why they don't hold the pressure. And when they turn on, look. Keep going. See? Keep going and I go. And even I have a leak house over there. Otherwise everything good. Okay guys, pack up and put away for myself. The reason why they only go 1500 psi because the pressure depend what different nozzle, different jet you use. My Scorpion, they got bigger hole and bigger jet. That's why they make squeezing around. But it doesn't matter. It's do the job. It's good, and I'm happy with it. If you replace the other jet smaller, just one side, they go down smaller, and the pressure will bring up to higher. But if you want to bring up more, release this one and turn the Allen key in to the positive area, and then you would go see follow this one and turn it on, and you get more higher pressure. Okay. Đúng, cầm em, cầm đứng đâm nha. Very good. Be happy. $2,500, not bad. Super quiet. Ready to go, happy for it, and put away for myself. Guys, thanks for watching Simon 2. See ya.